In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a moving background in Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to add dynamic elements to your presentations and make them more engaging. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your favorite browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not sure how to do this, you can simply type Google Slides into the search bar and it should bring it right up. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already done so. This part is important because it allows you to access and save your presentation seamlessly across all your devices. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you have a couple of options. You can either start from scratch by clicking on the blank presentation button, or if you're looking for something specific, Google provides a variety of templates that you can choose from. Select whichever option suits your project best. With your presentation open, look towards the top of your screen for the menu bar and click on Insert. This is where you can really start to see the magic happen. Upon clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to choose Image. This will open another submenu with different options for adding images. Here, we're going to focus on something special, adding a GIF. Under the Image submenu, you'll find an option called GIFs and Stickers. Give that a click. This is the key to bringing motion into your background. GIFs are wonderful because they continuously loop, adding a lively and dynamic element to your slides. Once you've clicked GIFs and stickers, you'll be presented with a search bar where you can find a GIF that perfectly fits the theme or mood of your presentation. Whether you're looking for something professional or a bit more playful, there's bound to be an option that enhances your slide perfectly. After selecting a GIF, it will be inserted into your slide. You might want to resize it or reposition it to make sure it fits just right, giving the impact you're aiming for. And just like that, you've added a moving background to your Google Slides presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with these features, the more creative and efficient you'll become at designing eye-catching presentations. Don't hesitate to explore different GIFs and layouts to see what works best for your projects. You can even layer GIFs behind your content or adjust their size and placement for a more professional look. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and I can't wait to see the incredible presentations you'll create. Thanks for watching and happy sliding.